established and 1925 Communist Party of India was established. Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha is the political party who established the Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh in 1925. All the great leaders, freedom fighters and our kings of different princely estates were part of Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha. In 1915, on the day of Baisakhi, at Haridwar, Uttarakhand, all the branches of Hindu Mahasabha get together and a national political organization Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha was established. Its main aim was to free India, independence of India, establishment of Hindu Rashtra in India, and welfare of all Hindus and Hinduism. Our great freedom fighters fought with English people and India got independence due to a struggle of Hindu Mahasabha leaders. Our leader Mahant Digvijay Nath, Dada Guru of present UP CM Adityanath, was the person who was booked for the idol of Ram Lalla, putting idol of Ram Lalla at the birth site of Lord Rama in Ayodhya. Our Hindu Mahasabha leaders faced criminal charges for establishing the Ram Lalla at the birthplace of Ram. We fought cases in the local courts, Faizabad district court. We won the case. We then fought the case in Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court. We won the case, and then we won the case from Supreme Court. And after winning the case in Supreme Court, the Supreme Court ordered the central government to establish a trust for construction of Ram Temple in Ayodhya. Ram Temple was built. Our Prime Minister inaugurated the Ram Temple on 22nd January this year. We are happy that Lord Temple was established at the place of Lord Rama. Now we are struggling for establishment of great temples, grand temples at the site of birthplace of Lord Krishna in Mathura and Baba Kashi Vishwanath Temple in Kashi. Fighting for this, we are creating awareness in the masses, in the Hindus, for constructing grand temple at Mathura and Kashi. Our main aim is to establish a Hindu nation, constitutionally a Hindu nation, protection of cows, for banning the cow slaughter on the all India basis, and for common civil code. You know there are different civil codes in our country. So we want that a common civil code is enacted in our country, so that there should be a common law for all the citizens, including Hindus, Muslims, Christians, for all. One civil law should be enacted by the government of India. We are putting pressure on the present central government. We were putting pressure on the erstwhile central government